Hi there, my name is Teresa Robinette. I'm an occupational therapist and instructor in the Occupational Therapy Assistant program here at Casper College. I want to take some time to go over an opportunity we have for members of the Casper community, especially those participating in the community education classes through OLLI. Our Occupational Therapy Assistant Club has partnered with Wyoming Assistive Technology Resources for many years. As part of this partnership, my students have received trainings twice a semester on different assistive technology devices, and then host labs to demonstrate these pieces of technology. Wyoming Assistive Technology is a program through the Wyoming Institute of Disabilities. They provide resources and access to assistive technology devices for anyone in the state of Wyoming. Assistive technology is a general term that we use to describe a device or anything that might just help someone do something they need to do in their everyday. So it could be something as simple as a memory or a calendar planner up to augmentative communication devices or smart pads or tablets or even power chairs. So it's a really broad term, but assistive technology is really kind of an amazing area that helps people do what they need to do. Our partnership with water has brought us to this upcoming spring semester, and we have some different lab topics and things like that I'd like to go over and share with you that our students will be working on during this spring semester. We were approached last summer because the Wyoming Center on Aging received money through the CARES funding to help reach out and support different senior centers throughout the state. And they've reached out and they're working with 30 different senior centers to provide tablets, iPhones, just any sort of different pieces of technology that seniors could use on loan, and I think even just purchasing them. And the goal is to help seniors feel more comfortable and confident with using technology to be able to increase their ability to communicate and even decrease feelings of isolation. So that brings us back around to my OTA students. So when the Tech to Connect program was launched, Wyoming Assistive Technology approached us and asked if our students would be willing to help incorporate and provide resources and be that outreach for seniors in the community twice a week during our open labs, and we very much agreed to do so. So that brings me to where we are. The OTA students will be hosting labs twice a week this coming spring, on Tuesdays from 4 to 6 via Zoom, and on Thursdays from noon to 2 in person. Those will be in room 114 here in Leisinger Hall at Casper College. And the goal during the labs is just to provide support, answer questions, kind of help ease some of that anxiety that we can feel about technology. We've been providing different seniors in the community with assistance with Zoom features, even access to social media, Messenger, Instagram, making posts, things like that. My students are also pretty well versed in smartphone accessibility, so things like voice to text, enlarging print, different things that can make your current smartphone or your current tablet work better for you. So our plan is to resume labs again this spring semester. Our first Zoom lab is going to be January 26th from 4 to 6. And I will attach the link. I'm going to go through and show you guys all the information on these websites. But then our first in-person lab was going to be January 28th from noon to 2. I just ask that if you have any interest in attending our in-person lab, just reach out to me, give me a phone call. I will attach my phone number, but my office number here at the college is 307-268-3112. And that just lets me know who's going to be here so I can plan and make sure that we have ample space and the ability to social distance appropriately. If you would like to join us on Thursdays via Zoom, we've done that as well too. So we have a lot of flexibility. But just let me know if you plan to attend in person or on Zoom. So while I have your attention, I'm going to take you guys through the websites here. So this is the Wyoming Assistive Technology Resources. I'm going to attach the link to this as well too. So this is all the information you need to know about water and what they do and different devices that they have on loan or device demonstrations. Then next is the Wyoming Center on Aging's website. So when we go here, it has some really great resources, great information. And if you scroll down here at the bottom and you click that Tech to Connect, it's going to bring you to this web page right here. And the Tech to Connect, it's going to have all the information about our labs, about what's happening, about what's going on with the program and different devices. In addition to the labs, my students have also been busy making videos, and you can find these videos. They're being uploaded here. And they are just simple on-off accessibility features. We're going to be working on more videos with Zoom, just so then even outside a lab, you'll have some outside resources if you need them. And then if you go down here, here's all the information for our open labs. If you save this website, which will have the link, here's the link to the Zoom meeting on Tuesdays and then Thursday. If you do want to join us via Zoom, that's fine too. Just let me know so I know to expect you. So that's everything. That's what we're going to have going this semester. I hope we can help do some more outreach and help just support seniors any which way that we can. And just know that we're here and we're available. We're happy to help.